All right, so today for fluency, we are going to be doing a word problem. And it says that Martha bought an apple for 89 cents and a drink for $1.95. How much money did she spend in all? So we're looking here and they're asking us how much she spent in all, because that's our question they're asking us. So we need to figure out how much she spent in all. She's buying these items, an apple and a drink. The apple costs her, and I'm going to highlight that a different color so we know. I'm going to highlight it green. The apple cost her 89 cents and the drink cost her $1.95. Okay, so if she bought those two items and we need to know how much they cost her in all, we're going to add them up. So I'm going to start off by writing or putting my 89 cents. Remember, when we add decimals, we do not want to forget about that decimal point when we are writing our number out. And then put it there. Okay, and then, oops, not quite. There we go. So now that we have our first number written down, we now are going to put $1.95 down. So we're going to start off by, I'm just making sure it's, there we go, $1.95. So we're going to put a 1. And remember, when we add decimals, we line up our digits, we line up our decimal point. So you notice my decimal point is underneath my decimal point. The 1 is in front of the decimal point in $1.95, so the 1 goes in front of my decimal point when I'm writing my number down. So the number after the decimal point is a 9, so I'm going to put my 9 down. Oops, it moved. 9 down. And then I'm going to put my 5, because that's the next number, in line with the place value it lines up with, according to the number. Okay, so I have 89 cents plus, remember we're adding, $1.95. So I'm going to draw my line underneath it. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Draw my line underneath it. So there's my line. And now I'm going to begin to add. But before I begin to add, remember we got to drop that decimal like it's hot. So we're going to drop our decimal point down before we begin adding. Okay, so I dropped it like it's hot. So we have 9 plus 5, which is 14. So I put my 4. And I bring up my 1. So now I have 1 plus 8, which is 9. 9 plus 9, which is 18. And then I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we have 284. So in my box, I'm going to put it in a sentence because it is a word problem. So we're going to say Martha spent, don't forget your $, $2.84 in all. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'll be glad to help.